Huh? Get in where? No, you can't get in there. What other train? Look at the Sky Man.
Don't leave for a second. You're going to miss the finale. This little guy right here.
I was just coming around to see him.
I want you to watch this here in a second. The light will come on and you'll see what happens.
You watch yourself?
The light will come on and something happens. We don't know that.
Tracy, watch. Watch the little guy, Chase.
Right here.
Watch the little guy. Oh, wow.
That's awesome.
I want this. Buy me this for my birthday.
Grandpa Jack, can you buy me this?
Huh? Yes.
Can you buy me this for my birthday? That'd be a lot of money as a